In this question, the principle talks about the concept of asylum, which means the protection granted by a state to a foreign citizen against his own state. And the person for whom asylum is established has no legal right to demand it, and the sheltering state has no obligation to grant it. As per the facts, Julian feared arrest and prosecution in UK for exposing corruption by the royal family. So, the head state and military dictator of North Korea, he granted asylum to Julian for a period limited of 6 months. Now, which of the following derivations is correct? First, A says that asylum granted to Julian is illegal as it's for a limited period. Now, the principle does not say that asylum would be illegal because of the a limited period or a duration has been given, so A cannot be the answer. B says that asylum granted to Julian is invalid as North Korea is not a democratic republic. It does not matter whether it's a democratic republic or not. The principle says that it should be granted by a state to a foreign citizen against its own state. And because North Korea is a state, therefore option B would not be correct. Option D says that assistance granted to Julian amounts to refuge and not asylum. So we do not know what is refuge because it's not provided over here. Therefore, option D would also not be correct. Hence, the correct derivation would be option C, stating that asylum granted to Julian is valid as granted by a sovereign authority.